Here I have NISSAN Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to change the hotspot name and hotspot password. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now all you need to do is find and select the settings icon at the top of the screen. From the settings icon, now you can choose here the connections. If you cannot find the connections, you need to swipe to the left, then you've got connections, and from the connections list you can now choose Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, vehicle hotspot, and that's what we need to do. Choose vehicle hotspot. As you can see here, you can turn on or off the vehicle hotspot, you can scan code to connect, but you can also choose here the settings in the upper part of the screen, and right now you can change the network name. As you can see, this is the network name. You can change it here. If you type something different, you can tap OK to save it, but also you can here check the password and change the password. So this is like the default password from a Nissan. You can change it for some simpler one. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.